there. Charlene's furnace. We did the AC 3 or 4 years ago, somewhere around there. The furnace has been giving him a lot of troubles and has a failed secondary heat exchanger. So our fresh air currently is right here. Fresh air for the room is right there. Got your exhaust vent, 2-inch PVC. Goes straight up. It looks like it goes into this little soffit here. Everything looks very well glued together, so we'll just cut it at a certain point and rework it into the new one. Let's change out the whole drain, just to make sure everything is clear. Just to here at the bottom. Quarter drain is 3 feet away. Gas line's coming down. Shut off here, we'll do a plug going in the unit, new wire going in. AC, like I said, is new, so that's staying. So we'll probably put this up on a little base can since the new one's going to be a little bit shorter. You guys don't have to worry about doing too much of the transition work side. Turn drop is 8 by 25. Nice big old filter rack, so that's all good. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Power switch for the furnace is right here. When you come into the basement, it's in a craft room. Right off the end of the stairs, first door on your right.